In today's video, we are going to put this combo to the test. Small one. Hi guys, what's up? Good morning. Out on an adventure again. We are going to put this rod combo to the test. Yeah, and we will see if this will catch us a big one. Just tag along with me. Okay? This is gonna be a short trip. Stay tuned, alright? I'll see you later. Thanks. So what we have right now, smelt. Yeah, frozen smelt. Tapos, the usual, ating bulate, worms, and stuff like that. Iisip ako, magdadala pa ba ako ng isang rod? I don't know. Ito, mukhang dito ka na lang muna. Ayan. Daling ko na lang ito. Yeah. I don't know if I have to bring you or what, but yan. Sige na, dalhin na lang din to si Pogi. Baka kakaling may makipaglaro pang iba eh. Okay? So yan. It's our combo right now. Let's see. Let's go. Ayun sila, nandun sila. Pero doon pa rin tayo sa dati nating spot. So there's like 2 of us there. Sorry, 3 pala. There's 2 already. And then tayo. Carrying our big guns and this little guy right here. Tignan naman natin kung bakaya eh. Kung may makikipaglaro. As usual, we're hoping for something to, you know, grab our bait, play with us. Okay, same spot. Well, thanks to my boy, kasi yan, he let me borrow his rod. Sabi nga, guinea pig daw ako eh. Okay, all set. Taas natin. Ay. Oh shit. We'll see. Got some camera. One. Let's go. I think I got a big one here. Do I have a measuring tape? First fish. First fish. First fish. There you go. First fish. One down. Yeah. One down. Narrow tail. Ang pangit ng release. Bye-bye. Whew. Ayun siya. There you go. So if some of you guys were able to watch my last video, a lot of times I got broken off because I was using some sort of like light line that day. And right now
My son was, he was willing enough to let me test out his new rod. Yeah, that's what I brought. I'm to the same spot right now, and let's see if something will play. Got this. Para lang masukat natin. For us to know, just in case, you know. But it's one fish. What? Wala nang battery yun? Agad? Hello? Gano'n kakatako sa battery? Init. Bakit siya umiinit ng ganun? Camera is too hot. So pang malamig ka lang, ganun. Well, anyways, yung basta nakaisa na tayo. I brought in the bump board. Check and see if can land the master kitty cat. Yun naman ang target ngayon eh. Got some good ones?
Only one golden.
Oh.
And bass, big bass.
Yeah.
What kind fish? Which one you caught?
Bass. Yeah. Okay. We're in there. One just snatched our bait. But yeah, we already got fish. One drum. Kaya lang hindi ko nasukat, unfortunately. Kasi hindi ko dala pa yung bump board. But anyways, I just had like 2 bites already. I don't care whatever bites. You know, it's kind of funny kasi yeah, I'm using such a huge, like this is what, 10 feet? You know, 10 feet, man. 10 feet of brute power. So let's see. And my other camera is defective right now. He says it's too hot. Yeah, it is. It's freaking hot. 20 plus yata ngayon. 22 or something. So definitely all the fish are playing right now. But not skunk. Already got one. I'm happy. At ang laki nung ano na yun. Ang laki nung drum na yun. That drum was, I don't know, probably a 22 incher din siguro yun. It's huge. That's what you call timing, boy. What is this? Drum again. Second fish, guys. Yeah. Small one. Hirap kasi mahaba yung ano eh. Hala ka. Where did you put my hook? Huh? Yeah, I know. Dinukwang mo eh. Hindi ganoon. Yan. Buhaya ka naman kasi. Second fish. Drum pa rin, no? Second fish. So we're all good. Release the boy. Release the kraken. Bye-bye. Alive and kicking. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Alive and kicking. Come on, man. I missed that? For sure? Wala na yun. Nakuha na bait nun. No more. Buffet? Gusto nga tayo ng isa. Tapos laliman natin ng konti.
Ano ka, may huli na pala ako.
Third fish. Ay, sus. Third fish. Third drum, 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 barely hook si Gasto. Buti lang, barely hook ka. You know, barely hook, boy. Kaya nga sadali lang. Ikaw naman oh. Just a small one.
I got 3. Oh yeah, babalik kita. Don't worry. Third one. Yeah, natatakot siya.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'll bring you back. Hindi naman kita iuuwi. Sorry. Okay? Release the Kraken. Release the boy. Bye-bye. No, not there. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Combo works great. It would have been put to the test if something big bit my lord. Maybe on the next video.
Let's go. Let's call it.